we're big fans of the Hello product line. This is the Sunny Daze aluminum-free deodorant 2-pack. The stick, as always, glides on smoothly. And this one, the Sunny Daze, smells like citrus, white tea, vanilla scent. It is light, it is clean. Why I keep purchasing these, baking soda free with shea butter, feels so gentle on the skin. My teens actually use these. The scent is fresh, as always, without being overpowering, which is really good for the teens and adults as well. And I like that these go on clear, an easy application with no tugging. That's definitely a plus for me. But would I buy them again? Yes, and I do all the time. This is an easy daily deodorant that keeps my teens feeling fresh throughout the day. And then they do stay fresh after dance, after about 2 hours of dance. And most importantly, with the Hello products, I really do like the friendly ingredient list. And hey, the Sunny Daze subtle scent is really a bonus as well. I'm going to keep using these, and I'm excited for any other Hello scents to come out.